warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me again in my video vlog 100 days in speaking English. Today I'm very tired because I have many tasks today, and the sun is very hot, and I not yet in my assessment because my assessment is very hard. My assessment is super lab from switching and routing. And today is Monday, and Thursday. Today is Thursday, and I don't have Diniyah class, but I have Tafid class in evening, and after Tafid class we have acara. Can I say can we say acara? We have acara from BEM. We BEM, BEM. And now I'm in my Haikal boarding house because after pray Maghrib in Mosque Green, and in IT class, I have I learning about, I don't know, in IT class I finished the assessment again and again and again. I don't know because my assessment now is very hard, but no problem. Maybe I can try again and again. Maybe this is for me today, and see you in next video.